Now, it's also special today because we are proudly recognizing and thanking the men and women who serve in law enforcement across our communities. From deputies on patrol to dispatchers who answer those critical calls, each role plays an essential part in protecting all of us. Please join me in welcoming Lieutenant Amar Ghani from the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office. And please give him a big congratulations because he got that big promotion.
Yeah.
Look at the suit, too. He's like, okay.
Someone's got to wear it.
We're out here fresh and looking good. Yes, you know what? Again, the Sac County Sheriff's Office really came through last year with these retail theft operations. My God. Okay, so when you guys posted it online,
yeah,
you weren't being shy at all. You were showing their faces, their names.
Yeah.
And I mean, it was like day after day you guys were going after these guys.
Well, stuff's happening in the public.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're out in the grocery store, you're out at Target, you're out wherever you are, you're seeing this happen right in front of you, but now you're getting to see something's being done about it. Now, we were real lucky. Back a couple of years ago, we got a retail theft grant from the governor and the state of California. So we went full forward with all of that. And, you know, this isn't some secret military operation where we're hiding in some shadow.
Right.
This is happening right in front of you. And if you don't happen to witness it, well, we want to show you. And, you know,
it makes people think twice, for sure.
Yeah, the biggest cure is some deterrence, right?
Yeah.
So if people understand that, no, we're out there on a regular basis being vigilant.
Yeah.
Stores are now on board. Before it was a fight to get the stores to report some of these things, but they're on board now, and you know what? We're all for it.
And the videos that you posted, I mean, they actually went viral, honestly.
Yeah, it kind of crazy coming from the sheriff's office, and I mean, we're not Mr. Beast or anything, but you know, at the same time, you know, it was fun for us getting a little notoriety for, you know, not just the operation, but the people doing the work. They want no credit. They're not out here trying to be me on TV by any stretch. They just want to do the work. They love what they do. This is not a clock in, clock out type of job. They absolutely have a passion for what they're doing. And, you know, people are like, oh, well, this isn't murder. This isn't, you know, some serious crime. But it is.
It still matters, though, because you're taking away money from businesses.
And that's the thing. These are quality of life crimes that affect normal, everyday people on an everyday basis.
Right.
You're paying $6, $7 a gallon for milk. You're paying this much for eggs. That's not by accident. That's not some magic machine that made that, you know, those costs go up. That's directly tied into these thefts. And these are some of the things we're doing about it.
And the other great thing about these operations is how you're partnering up with all these local agencies and how they're starting to take notice, I think, from your department as well. But that's what matters, too. I mean, working with outside agencies to collaborate on these things and get the job done.
Sure, 100%. And, you know, we've got really good local partners here, and some of them don't quite know how to tackle some of the issues that they have in their areas. We're lucky being such a large agency. We have the freedom to put some of these large-scale operations together, but we can also scale it down, and involving some of them, we can bring some of the might of the sheriff's office to their local jurisdictions and help them as well.
And I know last year, I mean, you worked really closely with Placer County, too, when it came to drug trafficking, too. That was huge.
Yeah.
Prosecuting people who, again, are selling these deadly drugs on the streets.
And criminals don't understand jurisdictions.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, just because we put a magical borderline between this city and that county and all that, nobody cares, right? They're going to be doing their crimes, whether we're talking about retail theft, whether we're talking about drug trafficking, whether we're talking about, you know, gangsters traveling around with guns. I'll say this, though, the gangsters have figured out where the borderlines are because they don't want to mess around here anymore.
Wow.
Last year, our gang guys seized almost 400 guns, record drop in homicides, and we'll put some of that stuff out later too, but we haven't had homicide rates this low since 1970. So, I mean, we're talking nearly 60 years in the making. So, I mean, there's a lot going on, but it's a great time right now.
Now, of course, with everything that's been going on in the news cycle, I mean, we have to recognize it too, that the attitudes and the tensions toward local law enforcement, it's not as great as we would like to see it, I'm sure. And I know that's what you guys want to work on, is to bridge the gap and make sure people are aware that, listen, at the end of the day, if something goes down, you have to call 911 and we're going to be there to help you.
And I don't think it's ever going to be perfect.
Yeah.
Because, again, just the nature of our job is not always a pleasant one. We're not the ice cream truck, right? We're not handing out ice cream. We're not, you know, having
You're not
fun
handing
all
out
the time.
candy,
No, and we're going to see people on their absolute worst days of their life. But at the same time, I think that pendulum has swung a little further back toward the middle to where people do appreciate, people do understand, and no one's looking for a pat on the back on our side. I mean, it's a job and we get it, and trust me, like I mentioned, we love it. We're doing this out of passion. But understand we are your neighbors, we're your kids' coaches. You know, my wife's in education. We're just normal people that are just going through lives, you know, getting our kids to sports just like you are.
Yeah.
There's nothing else special other than we get to wear a badge to work and do some really cool stuff.
That's right. That's
So,
right. And
yeah.
continue doing it. And
Absolutely.
we do
No,
appreciate
thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much for all the work that you do for our community.
Thank you for having us, and thanks for highlighting this. This
Yes,
is really cool.
Of course.